Hangzhou Lansing Machinery Co Limited is located in Yuhang District, Hangzhou with convenient transportation. Our affiliated factory is located in Taizhou City. The factory in Sanmen County is mainly responsible for producing copper granulator. We are manufacturer and also produce wire stripping machine, PCB dry waste circuit board recycling line, electrostatic separator, and double-axis shredder. Also, we are supplier of many trading companies in Xi'an and Nanjing. We focus on technological innovation and have our own R&D team. Quality is our life, so we never use bad material in which way the cost can be reduced. Every time we design a new machine, many tests will do on the machines. There are many merchants at home and abroad who buy our machines and then disassemble and then imitate. The appearance is the same as ours, but the machine's performance is completely different. To the concept of reliable quality and honest operation, we have patent certificate and CE certificate. Our products are not only best-selling in various provinces and cities in China, but also exported to various countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, and more than 20 other countries. They are highly favored and praised by domestic and foreign customers. Whether your company is selecting a product from our existing catalog or seeking help in developing customization, please feel free to contact our customer service center and customize your purchasing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.